Hi Sabrine, this is Mrs. Olson. I thought I would make this a navigational video to help answer your question. All right, so I am in your class, and just to show you, you're taking world history. This is what it looks like on your home page. So we go immediately to modules. And I'm going to scroll down to the assignment and the lesson that you told me, which is 1.5, the letter from King Afonso to King John III of Portugal. All right, so this right here is a video lesson that helps students to understand how to answer the questions. This one is me reading the letter aloud in case anybody needs that kind of help. And then here is the assignment. So my suggestion is to click on this arrow here. It'll put it on your computer, so then you have to open it. Oh, this is the letter. Okay, so that's the letter if you want to do that. And then on the next page is the assignment. And most people are going to click on the Word version of the assignment because that'll allow them to write on it. Not everybody has PDFs or Adobe. So click on the arrow here. Gotta wait for a second to bring it up. Okay, so now that you have it, and I'll bring it into view, now that you have it on your computer, you are going to have to go up to the top of your screen, and let me see if I can do that with what I'm doing. Okay, so you're going to come up to the very, very top, hit File, hit Save As, and then I like to put it in a folder that belongs to that class. So I already have a folder for the class, World History. I would put that in this folder, save, all of that kind of stuff. I already have one of these, so I don't want to make a double on mine, but I want to show you what to open, where to put it, all of that kind of stuff. All right. Once you've saved it to your computer, you should then be able to write on it. I hope that answers your question, and if it doesn't, or if you have more, please write me back through the inbox. Thanks, bye.